What's up, online shoppers? If you're looking to add a touch of class and style to your outdoor walkways, your patio, your garden, without elevating your electricity bills, check out these absolutely adorable pagoda style lanterns. This is a 12 pack of solar pathway lights that go onto stakes that you can just take out of the box, turn on, and stick into the ground. They'll charge during the day and they will light up your pathways at night. These lights are not only functional, but they add a decorative flair to your walkways, gardens, and patios. Out of the box, you have these adorable little lanterns. Pagoda style, solar charger on top, light on the inside. A quick little twist like that will turn your solar light on, and then all you have to do is fit it back in, twist, and you're good to go. Take a look at how cute that is. Now the stakes are pretty cool too. Normally the stakes are squared off, and I love how absolutely cute these are done in a square style, just like the pagoda itself. I would say that one of the standout features for this is how easy it is to install these. Simply take them out of the box and assemble them with a 1, 2, and 3. Look at that. They're absolutely adorable. Once these are installed, they're going to automatically turn on at nighttime and shut off in the morning. No tools, no wiring, and no electric extension cords. From each of these, you're going to get at least 8 hours of charge, as long as they have access to 6 to 8 hours of illumination during the daytime. These are made of high resistance plastic. There is no metal on these, so they're not going to rust or tarnish at all. The screen inside here is a translucent plastic as well, so you don't have to worry about broken glass, and the battery itself is built right into the top, so all you have to do is just let these out to charge and then enjoy the light in the evening. These little lights are powered by the sun, so they are going to give you an energy savings that you are going to enjoy. Each of these comes with a 2-volt 30 milliamp solar panel and 100 milliamp AAA nickel metal hydride battery to power the LED that's inside. Long endurance, stable performance, and you don't need an external power source for these, which makes them a no-brainer for decorating outside. This is a fantastic little 12 pack. Solar powered lanterns that you can use virtually anywhere. Light a pathway, light your patio, lovely little light solution that enhances the beauty of your garden and makes it easier to walk around in the nighttime without stubbing your toe. If you're seeking a cost-effective way to light your night, illuminate your garden or your walkway, these little lights are definitely a solid choice and a family favorite at my house.